Facebook now says it would not even try to block 2020 election disinformation. While it's no surprise that you cannot believe everything you read on Facebook, the company has given up trying to fight the flow of disinformation. Can you trust what you read on Facebook? No, and why not? Because Facebook has now explicitly said that it will obey an executive order from President Trump and will refuse to fact check misinformation and disinformation as America heads into the 2020 election. In April 2017, Facebook published a white paper that acknowledged the spread of information operations trying to divide and deceive Americans in response to accusations that misinformation helped influence the 2016 US election. In September 2017, Facebook Chief Security Officer Alex Satmos acknowledged that some of the accounts and pages disseminating that information came from within Russia. Common Cause, a watchdog group, filed a suit. Then Facebook joined Twitter and Google, telling Congress that they would do better. On Thursday, in response to a request by the presidential campaign of Senator Joe Biden to stop the spread of misinformation, Facebook threw in the towel. The company claimed that a recent executive order by President Trump tied to its hands. Facebook announcement came a day before Twitter eliminated thousands of accounts which it claimed were tied to state disinformation campaigns. The Biden campaign asked Facebook to proactively stem the tide of false information by no longer amplifying untrustworthy content and promptly fact checking election related material that goes viral. The campaign asked for clear rules applied to everyone, including Donald Trump, that prohibit threatening behavior and lies about how to participate in the election. It also asked for a 2 week period before the election, during which all political advertisement would be fact checked. Facebook declined issuing this unsigned statement. We live in the democracy where the elected officials decide the rules around campaign. Facebook wrote in a short unsigned statement. 2 weeks ago, the President of the United States issued on an executive order directing federal agencies to prevent social media sites from engaging in activities like fact checking political statements. This week, the Democratic candidate for president started a petition calling on us to do the exact opposite, just as they have done with the broadcast network, where the US government prohibits rejecting politician campaign ads. The people elected representative should set the rules and we will follow them. There is an election coming in November and we will perfect political speech even when we strongly disagree with it. Facebook statement referred to an executive order